Hello and welcome to 128-Bit Studios YouTube channel. My name is Brad and today we're going to be talking about installing Homebrew on the new Apple M1 chips. Now you may have realised, if you're lucky enough to have received a MacBook M1 Mac Air or an Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip, that when you try and install Homebrew, the standard command line install tool on here will not work and you'll be provided with the following message. Homebrew is not yet supported on ARM processors. Now it's a very simple solution. First of all, we need to install Rosetta 2. Now what is Rosetta 2? Rosetta 2 is a way of Apple emulating older style chips so they can be ran on M1 chips, which are ARM processors. Now we need to install this. Now I already have the command line open here, the command open, but I will put it in the description so that you can copy and paste it into your terminal. But essentially you just paste it into your terminal, run it, and it will install Rosetta. I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to do it again. The second step is to enable Rosetta 2 on the terminal. So in order to do this, go to your Finder, go to Applications on the left, and find the terminal of your choice. For some people it might just be called Terminal, but I'm using iTerm. Right click it, click Get Info, and check the Open Using Rosetta option. Close the window, close the Finder, and restart your terminal. Now going to the Homebrew website, I'll also put this command line install in the description in case you don't want to go to the website. But take the first command line install tool under Install Homebrew and paste it into your terminal. Enter your password if it's required. And there we go. We now have Homebrew installed on the new Apple M1 chip. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will catch you next time for future videos. Thanks for watching.